Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, IELTSBand9. Maria is here. Today's the second part of how to write like a boss, and I'm going to focus on sentence structures writing. There are a few other parts of how to write like a boss, and make sure that you turn on your notifications on YouTube, like, follow, and subscribe, and make sure you share this video with your friends who are taking the IELTS classes or want to improve the simple email writing that we do mostly nowadays. I'm going to share my page with you. Then you see the examples. The first part of how to write like a boss, I was teaching you how to write a correct paragraph structure. If you haven't watched that video, make sure that you watch the video and IELTSBand9 with Maria. Today is the second part that I'm going to teach you how to write correct sentences structure. There are 4 different types of sentences in IELTS or in English writing, basically. The first one is simple sentences. Many students, surprisingly, will have some challenges in simple structures, not only complex ones. So the simple structure is a combination of a subject and a verb. For example, I would say I cook, or I would say she swims, or also she cooked, which is in the past tense, or I swam. There are 12 English tenses that we can't simply coordinate and then try to alternate and write, excuse me, simple sentences. There are these 12 structures are present, past, and future simple. For example, I eat, I ate, I will eat. Present, past, and future continuous. I am writing, I was writing, or I will be writing, which is in the future, the continuous form. We have present, past, and future perfect. I have written, I had written, or I will have written. Present, past, and future perfect continuous. These 3 tenses are not really popular in English. They're somewhat old English, but surprisingly in IELTS, examiners are looking for these kind of sentences. Variety of the structure, try to use simple sentences, but in different tenses, depends on the topic that you have in writing or speaking, but make sure that you have variety of those simple sentences. Going back to the present, past, and future, perfect continuous. I have been writing, I had been writing, or I will have been writing. Turn on your notifications, like and subscribe my videos on how to write like a boss for the upcoming parts. Thank you and see you next session.